Knorrox invited us for a masterclass.
I absolutely loved the masterclass. I had an absolutely amazing experience today.
So the stock powder is very convenient as you can add it almost as a spice and you can cook way quicker with it. Has the same effect.
This is all the flavor that the stock cube has, just quicker, more flavorful, and more convenient. Pour it in a pan with your food, razzle dazzle, and you're done.